How to delete a post or a thread on Threads by Instagram. Hi there, in this video we will learn how you'll be able to simply delete your post or a thread here on your Instagram or in your Threads by Instagram account. So all you have to do is open the application. You just go to your profile right here on the lower right corner and then just click on the three dots menu here on one of your posts or threads, and then there you will have an option to delete. Just confirm the deletion, and now you see that your post that you've deleted has now been removed off of your account. So you can only delete a post only in your account and not in the other's account. So that's basically it. That's how you will be able to delete a post or a thread here on Threads by Instagram. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.